Today's Wednesday, September 11th. This is the 1968 Cadillac DeVille convertible. Power window escutcheon bezels with the rebuilt window switches for the two rear, left and right, and for the front passenger side. This is the last video out of a multi-video set where I've shown all of the rebuilt switches, including the left-hand driver's side 4-button cluster switch, the emergency lockout rocker switch, the master vacuum air conditioning switch. And now I'm going to be doing the final video showing the electrical continuity test after having shown the breakdown on the bench of how the switches were fully restored, opened up, then conditioned, sealed, and pinched, and now mounted onto the escutcheon bezels. So I'm going to go ahead and apply power. And we see the light bulb coming on right here. And that is the up position. And that is the down position. Now we'll move over to the next escutcheon bezel. And again, we'll be looking for the light bulb to come on in the up position. And now the down position. And we'll reconnect our electricals to the final escutcheon bezel. And we see the light bulb coming on in the up position. And light bulb coming on in the down position. So that is the 1968 Cadillac DeVille convertible. The last three remaining escutcheon bezels out of this multi-video set. This is from my friend John Batiste in Point City, Michigan. I've done the air conditioning in-dash climate controller restoration for him, the air conditioning power servo restoration unit that mounts in the engine compartment, the vacuum master switch that actuates the on-off continuity for the blower motor for the air conditioning system, the left-hand driver's side wiring harness, and the escutcheon bezel 4-button cluster switch, as well as the emergency lockout rocker switch. And now in this final video, we have the passenger side front escutcheon bezel power switch and the two rear escutcheon power window switches. Today is Wednesday, September 11th. This is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts for the 1959 to 1976 Cadillacs, all the way through 78 for the Eldorado. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the